Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the top 50 questions of medieval GK, which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Where was Guru Nanak Dev born? Correct answer is option B, Talwandi. Guru Nanak Dev was born at Talwandi, which is in Punjab, Pakistan. Guru Nanak Dev was the first Sikh Guru and he was the founder of Sikhism. So remember this. Next question. Which ruler made Delhi as a capital in place of Lahore? Correct answer is option B, Iltutmish. Iltutmish made Delhi as a capital in place of Lahore and he introduced silver tanka and copper jeetal. Next question. The autobiography of Babur, Tuju Ke Babri, was translated into Persian by whom? Correct answer is option D, Abdur Rahim. The autobiography of Babur, Tuju-Ke Babri, was translated into Persian by whom? Correct answer is option D, Abdur Rahim. अब्दुल रहीम खाने खाना इन्होंने बाबर की ऑटोबायोग्राफी तुजू के बाबरी, इसी को बाबरनामा भी बोलते हैं, इसको ट्रांसलेट किया था पर्सियन में। अब्दुल रहीम की हम बात करें तो ही वॉज वन ऑफ द 9 जेम्स ऑफ अकबर और इनको खाने खाना ये जो टाइटल दिया था ये इनको दिया था अकबर ने। सो रिमेंबर दिस। बाबर की हम बात करें तो बाबर वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर इन इंडिया। सो रिमेंबर दिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ खिलजी डायनेस्टी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, जलालुद्दीन खिलजी। जलालुद्दीन खिलजी वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ खिलजी डायनेस्टी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who was the ruler of Chittorgarh when Alauddin Khilji invaded and annexed it? Correct answer is option C, Rana Rawal Ratan Singh. Rana Rawal Ratan Singh was the ruler of Chittorgarh when Alauddin Khilji invaded. Next question. In the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, land tax was known as. Correct answer is option A, Kharaz. Kharaz was the land tax that was equal to 1/10 of the produce of the land. So remember this. Next question. Who was the last ruler of Bahmani kingdom? Correct answer is option D, Kalimullah Shah. Kalimullah Shah was the last ruler of Bahmani kingdom. And who was the founder of Bahmani kingdom? It was Hassan Bahman Shah. Hassan Bahman Shah is the founder of Bahmani kingdom. So remember this. Next question. Who founded the Vijayanagar kingdom? Correct answer is option C, Harihar and Bukka. Next question. What was the name of the silver coin of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Correct answer is option B, Adi. Who wrote the novel titled Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi? Correct answer is option A, Ziauddin Barni. Next question. Which of the following was the successor of Razia Sultan? Correct answer is option D, Behram Shah. Behram Shah was the successor of Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan was the first and only female ruler of Delhi Sultanate. This is very important. So remember this. Next question. Who among the following rulers founded the city of Ahmedabad? Correct answer is option C, Ahmad Shah. Which Sultan of Delhi Sultanate is known for laying biggest network of canals in medieval India? Correct answer is option B, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next question. Which of the following composed the famous Pancharatna Kritis? Correct answer is option A, Tyagraj. The famous Red Fort at Delhi was built by which Mughal king? Correct answer is option A, Shah Jahan. Which among the following was the capital of Bahmani Sultanate? Correct answer is option D, Gulbarga. Who wrote the book titled Aine Akbari? Correct answer is option D, Abul Fazl. Who wrote the book titled Rihla? Correct answer is option A, Ibn Battuta. Who wrote the book titled Kitab ul Hind or Tehqiq-e Hind? Correct answer is option D, Al Baruni. Next question. Who built Hawa Mahal? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए महाराजा सवाई प्रताप सिंह। हवा महल कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है, इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ पाल डायनेस्टी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी गोपाल फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग बिल्ड द अलाई दरवाजा? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। हु फाउंडेड द स्लेव डायनेस्टी इन इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। बैटल ऑफ तराइन फर्स्ट वॉज फॉट बिटवीन whom? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए मोहम्मद गौरी एंड पृथ्वीराज चौहान। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग केम टू इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ सुल्तान महमूद ऑफ गजनी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी अल बरूनी। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द पर्सियन फेस्टिवल नवरोज इन इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी बलबन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वॉज द लास्ट रूलर ऑफ द लोधी डायनेस्टी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इब्राहिम लोधी। द फेमस ट्रेवलर इब्न बतूता विजिटेड इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ विच रूलर? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक। द बैटल ऑफ प्लासी इन 1757 was fought between whom? Correct answer is option C Sirajuddaulah and British. Who built the Grand Trunk Road? Correct answer is option B Sher Shah Suri. Who introduced the market control policy in India? Correct answer is option B Alauddin Khilji. The first battle of Panipat in 1526 was fought between? Correct answer is option A Babar and Ibrahim Lodhi. Who built the famous Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur? Correct answer is option A Muhammad Adil Shah. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Correct answer is option B Babar. The Battle of Haldighati in 1576 was fought between whom? Correct answer is option A Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Who shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Correct answer is option B Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which Mughal emperor introduced the Deen-e-Ilahi religion? Correct answer is option C Akbar. The Battle of Chausa in 1539 was fought between whom? Correct answer is option B Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. The capital of the Vijayanagar Empire was? Correct answer is option D Hampi. Who built the famous Buland Darwaja at Fatehpur Sikri? Correct answer is option A Akbar. The Battle of Talikota in 1565 led to the decline of which empire? Correct answer is option B Vijayanagar Empire. Who abolished the Ikta system and introduced the cash salary system? Correct answer is option A Alauddin Khilji. Who introduced the token currency system in India? Correct answer is option C Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who established the city of Firozabad and repaired Qutub Minar? Correct answer is option C Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Mughal emperor abolished the jizya tax? Correct answer is option B Akbar. The Treaty of Purandar in 1665 was signed between which two leaders? Correct answer is option D Shivaji and Jai Singh first. The famous Meenakshi temple at Madurai was built by which dynasty? Correct answer is option C Pandyas. Next question. Which Sultan of Delhi called himself Sikandar-e-Sani Alexander II? Correct answer is option C Alauddin Khilji. The famous Kohinoor diamond was taken to Persia by which ruler? Correct answer is option C Nadir Shah. And the last question of today's video is, which Vijayanagar ruler assumed the title of Andhra Bhoj? Correct answer is option B, Krishna Dev Rai. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Question number 1 is, who wrote the book titled Aine Akbari? And question number 2 is, which Sultan of Delhi Sultanate is known for laying biggest network of canals in medieval India? Share the answer in the comment box. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.